Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate Google Authenticator in 1xBet. It will be very simple to do where you will come to your menu. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10 you will receive $30. Continue the video. Then you will come and click on settings right up here. By then you will just come and click on security settings. Now as you have clicked on it, you will pass now to two-factor authentication, where you will see open Google Authenticator, and you will click on open Google Authenticator. And by there you will just come and click on the plus here. By clicking on the plus button now, you will enter your name. You will select a name which will fit for you. For example, you can select 1xBet for it. Now you will come and click here on the password. You will enter a password which will be saved. Then when everything is set, you will click now on save just here. Then once you have done it, you will realize that a QR code will be given to you when you have saved. Now you just come here down and click on it so as to put the authenticator code that has been given on the settings. By doing so, you will just click on confirm and everything will be now set.